Hari Om. Namaskars to everyone. Am I audible? Yes. We have gathered here today not just for a trial run of this amphitheater. It is also to give you a feel of what is to come ahead in days to come. And it has very aptly begun with this classical singing by Sri Dattatreya Velankar. And now it will be followed by Yakshagana. This is the sample of Indian culture, the refined mind of Indian culture. And the same thing will be done here in Viveka Smaraka. I'll be sharing with you some thoughts on why we have built Viveka Smaraka, why this was needed. There are some people who have asked, what was the purpose of such a big institution? There is a vision behind this. And that vision is encapsulated in Swami Vivekananda's message, where he says, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Education, my young students here should know this. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Swamiji did not believe that education meant passing the exams, getting a job. That is not the end and goal of education. What Swamiji wanted was man-making education, where the boy or girl who is educated becomes strong, becomes pure, has self-confidence, has compassion, and is able to translate that compassion into service activities. To bring this vision of man-making education into reality in a new way, education, formal education, Ramakrishna Mutt Mission is doing. More than 430 schools we have across India. But Viveka Smaraka has been envisioned to give a different kind of education, which we call man-making education. And for this man-making mission, which Swamiji says is his mission in life, Swamiji says, my mission in life is man-making. For this man-making, Swamiji gave us 4 yogas. Raja Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Karma Yoga. These 4 yogas are the 4 pillars on which this man-making education that will be presented here is designed. Man-making education standing on 4 pillars. The first pillar, we are calling it the mastered mind. This is rooted in Raja Yoga. How do we manage our mind? How does my mind function like this? How do I control my emotions? All this will be taught in these courses. The second pillar is the awakened intellect, which is rooted in Jnana Yoga. This is a world which is flooded with misinformation, propaganda, and manipulation. In this society, how should our children learn to think clearly? How should they learn to think critically? How should they arrive at truth through their own discrimination? Learn to think for yourself is the message one of our senior Swamis gave me many years ago. Learn to think for yourself. That is the message of Vivekananda. You have to think for yourself. For that, you have to learn critical thinking. That critical thinking is part of the second pillar, the awakened intellect. The third pillar is called the connected heart, where everything is monetized. We have to teach our children that relationships matter. How do we relate with people around us in depth and authenticity? There is so much of fake relationships now. It's all fake smile, fake hello, hope you are keeping well. Ella bootatike agide. In that society, how do we teach our children to be authentic and to relate from depth and how to see the divine in others? These are aspects which is covered in this third pillar. And the fourth pillar is the serving will, which is rooted in Karma Yoga. How do we combine higher and nobler ambitions, purpose with our life's goal? And how do we combine it with excellence? These are ideas which are dwelt in this fourth pillar. Now these 4 yogas presented as 4 pillars in this curriculum, we have tentatively named it as Vichara Viveka. Vichara Madi Viveka Jagruta Vagbeku. And Viveka is also matching with our Viveka Smaraka, and that is also Vivekananda's mission, to awaken the Viveka. And Vishwamitra Maharishi gave us the Gayatri Mantra thousands of years ago. The same intellect will be awakened now through these courses offered here. And these courses will be offered in 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. First level will be little easy, open to anyone. From high school to college students, any youth can take this course. And according to his capacity, he will join either level 1 or level 2 or level 3. For level 3, we are also planning to affiliate the course with the university so that it becomes a credit course. Besides this, we have also planned to offer communicative English, also spoken and written in Kannada. Kannada communication also is now a big issue. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಇತ್ಲಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಭಾಷೆ ಅಪಭ್ರಷ್ಟ ಆದಾಗ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಮಂಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆಳವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಥಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So Viveka Smaraka will become a living center of inspiration, learning, culture, character and service. This evening's cultural program is just the beginning. We are going to achieve this because this is the vision of Vivekananda. And Vivekananda's vision is God's vision. We want to awaken the best in the youth of Mysore, all the youth who come from Mysore city and nearby towns. And our aim is to produce, as Swamiji wanted, living human beings, thinking human beings, feeling human beings, and giving human beings. And we request all of you to join hands with us, to share your ideas, and certainly to send your children or grandchildren to learn from these courses which we'll be offering here. Thank you.